All right, pause your video and try this one. All right, when you get a question about energy transformations, and you will, then there's only two answers to this. So let's go over them right now. Okay, and this should, if this is not in your notes, you should add it in your notes. Energy transformation or energy conversions. Okay, there's only two types of questions. So you got to figure out, is the question describing photosynthesis, which happens in the chloroplast? If it is, then the answer is going to be light energy to chemical energy, because photosynthesis uses sunlight to make glucose. That's the whole point, right? And glucose is a chemical, so that's chemical energy. Right. If the question is describing cellular respiration, which happens in the mitochondria, then the energy transformation is chemical energy to chemical energy. Right? It takes glucose and turns it into another chemical, ATP. Right. So if that's not in your notes, these are your two answers to any kind of energy transformation question. So you just got to figure out, is it describing photosynthesis or cellular respiration? All right, let's go back to our question. All right, they're trying to be a little sneaky here. Photons or solar radiation, and I don't know why they do that. Oops. But that's just light. So light used to make glucose. So clearly this is photosynthesis. So the answer is going to be light to chemical. There it is. Choice A is the answer. Light to chemical. All right. B is not correct. It's not the mitochondria. D is not correct. C is not correct because we'll never, electromagnetic radiation, they're never going to be the right answer on this test. All right, let's take a look at the stats. Yeah, I'm not surprised. The other two choices are kind of bogus, so not surprised students did well on this. If you want to read the rest, pause the video.